Why do 87% of hair care enthusiasts swear by Batana oil? Let's dive in. Imagine running your fingers through smooth, frizz-free hair every day. Our Batana Oil Shampoo and Conditioner set is your ticket to vibrant, healthy locks. Packed with the enriching oleic acid, this duo hydrates deeply, combats frizz, and keeps your hair moisturized all day. But that's not all. Palmitic acid steps in to strengthen your strands and improve texture, making your hair resilient and visibly healthier. Need more reasons to fall in love? This formula doesn't just soften hair, it soothes your skin too, offering a luxurious, nourishing experience from root to tip. And let's talk about linoleic acid. It enhances penetration and conditioning, ensuring every strand gets the care it needs. Plus, it supports moisture retention and your skin barrier for overall health. Discover the magic of Batana oil and transform your hair care routine today. Your hair deserves it.